With the Snapchat new update, you can now earn up to $500 per month posting videos, and I'm going to share with you exactly how to do it. The TikTok ban in the United States, set to take effect on January 19, 2025, has sent shockwaves through the social media world. With over 170 million users in the US, TikTok has been a powerhouse for creators, businesses, and everyday users alike. But as the clock ticks down to the ban, many are scrambling to find alternatives, and Snapchat is a perfect alternative. With its focus on short-form videos, augmented reality, and a strong connection to Gen Z, Snapchat is poised to become the next big thing for creators and businesses looking to fill the void left by TikTok. Snapchat has been quietly building its creator ecosystem, and the TikTok ban has given it the perfect opportunity to shine. One of the ways Snapchat has prepared for this moment is through its partner program, which has been designed to attract and reward creators. The program, which includes features like the Snapstar Collab Studio and the new unified monetization program, is all about helping creators grow their audiences and earn money. Snapchat has realized that to compete with TikTok, it needs to offer creators more than just a platform. It needs to offer them a community and a way to make a living. The new Snapchat Partner Program, set to launch in February 2025, is a game changer for creators. To be eligible, creators need to meet certain criteria. First, they must have at least 50,000 followers. Second, they need to post at least 25 times per month to their saved stories or Spotlight. Third, they must post to either Spotlight or Public Stories on at least 10 of the last 28 days. Finally, they need to achieve one of the following in the last 28 days: 10 million Snap views, 1 million Spotlight views, or 12,000 hours of view time. Once accepted into the program, creators can monetize their content through ads placed within their stories and 1-minute plus longer Spotlight videos. This is a big deal because it allows creators to earn money from both short and long-form content, giving them more flexibility and opportunities to grow.
But how does Snapchat work, and how can you grow on the platform? Snapchat is all about real-time, authentic content. Unlike other platforms where polished, curated posts dominate, Snapchat focuses on raw, in-the-moment content. The app is divided into 3 main sections: snapping, chat, and watching videos. The snapping section is where you take and share snaps, which are photos or videos that disappear after 24 hours. The chat section is where you can message friends and view their stories. The watching videos section is where you can explore content from creators and brands, including Spotlight videos, which are short-form videos similar to TikTok's For You page. To grow on Snapchat, it's important to post consistently, engage with your audience, and use features like AR lenses and filters to make your content stand out. When it comes to the types of content that work best on Snapchat, the platform is all about creativity and authenticity. Fashion and beauty content is huge on Snapchat, thanks to features like AR try-on lenses that let users virtually try on makeup, clothes, and accessories. Travel content also performs well, with users sharing snaps of their adventures and using Snap Map to show their location in real time. Sports content is another big category, with fans using the platform to share reactions to live games and connect with their favorite teams and athletes. Educational content is also on the rise, with creators sharing short, informative videos on topics ranging from cooking to personal finance. The key is to create content that is engaging, relatable, and true to your brand.
So, how much can you earn on Snapchat? The answer depends on a few factors, including the size of your audience, the type of content you create, and how often you post. According to Snapchat's new monetization program, eligible creators can earn money from ads placed within their stories and Spotlight videos. While Snapchat hasn't released specific earnings figures, some creators have reported earning hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month, depending on their view counts and engagement rates. The more you post and the more views you get, the more you can potentially earn. It's also worth noting that Snapchat offers additional ways to earn money, such as through brand partnerships and collaborations. For creators looking to maximize their earnings, it's a good idea to upload the same content to other platforms as well. While Snapchat is a great place to connect with Gen Z and create authentic content, it's not the only platform out there. By cross-posting your content to platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and even TikTok, if it's still available in your region, you can reach a wider audience and increase your chances of earning more money. Plus, each platform has its own unique features and monetization options, so diversifying your content can help you make the most of your efforts. The TikTok ban is a major turning point for social media, and Snapchat is ready to step up and fill the gap. With its new partner program, focus on authentic content and commitment to helping creators succeed, Snapchat is well positioned to become the next big thing in social media. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, now is the time to explore what Snapchat has to offer. By understanding how the platform works, creating content that resonates with your audience, and taking advantage of Snapchat's monetization opportunities, you can build a successful presence on the platform and thrive in the post-TikTok era. So, what are you waiting for? Start snapping. We will soon bring many ways showing exactly how to make good content in easy way, and also share many other ways to earn money and new ways that people are not aware of. So subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. Also, if you want to explore more, check the video popping on the screen.